Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili oil. First, gather your essential ingredients. About 1 cup of neutral oil, like grapeseed or canola, and 2 tablespoons of good quality dried chili flakes. You will also need some aromatics such as garlic and ginger, and a heat-proof jar for the finished product. Ensure your oil has a high smoke point. Next, carefully heat 1 cup of your chosen neutral oil in a small saucepan. Aim for a temperature around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once warm, add your sliced garlic and ginger. Let them gently infuse the oil, releasing their delicious flavors. Be sure to remove the aromatics once they turn golden brown, preventing any bitterness. Now for the exciting part. Place 2 tablespoons of your dried chili flakes into your heat-proof jar. Carefully and slowly pour the hot, aromatic oil directly over the flakes. You should hear a satisfying sizzle, indicating the perfect temperature for infusion. Stir everything immediately to ensure all the chili flakes are fully submerged and evenly coated. Finally, let your freshly made chili oil cool down completely to room temperature before sealing the jar. This helps preserve its vibrant flavor and extends its shelf life. Once cool, store it in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. It's perfect for drizzling over noodles, eggs, or anything needing a spicy kick. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.